Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to disable IPv6 on your Android device. If you are like me and are using a VPN, you might have just checked your current IP address using an IP checker site such as this one. You may have noticed that your original, unmasked IPv6 address is being displayed while your IPv4 address is correctly hidden and displays the VPN's IPv4 address. This scenario is due to IPv6 traffic leaking outside of the VPN tunnel, commonly known and referred to as an IPv6 leak. To solve this issue, I'm going to disable IPv6 networking on Android. It is also important to note before continuing watching that this is for mobile data networks only. For Wi-Fi connections, you will need to disable IPv6 at the router level. Okay, so let's begin. First, open up your Android device's Settings app. My Settings app is on the left of my home screen. I'm going to tap on it now to open it. Look for Network and Internet. Tap on it. At the top, you should see Internet. Underneath that will be your mobile network's name. Tap on Internet. Underneath Mobile Data, again you should see the name of your mobile network. Tap on the nut icon to the right of it. Scroll all the way down until you see where it says Access Point Names. Tap on Access Point Names. Underneath APNs, you should see the name of your mobile network's internet provider. Tap on the arrow next to it, and then scroll all the way down until you see where it says APN Protocol and APN Roaming Protocol. Let's look at APN Protocol first. You can see it's currently set to IPv4/IPv6 networking. We'll need to change this to IPv4 only. Tap on the drop-down arrow for APN Protocol and choose IPv4 only. Now look underneath for APN Roaming Protocol. As you can see, it's also set to IPv4/IPv6. Tap on the drop-down arrow and select IPv4. Finally, tap on Save. You can now go back to your Android home screen and open back up your browser. And now if I refresh the page, you should see that IPv6 is now no longer detected on this IP address checker site. Only the IPv4 address is. Now that I have disabled IPv6, I no longer have IPv6 leaking, and therefore my IP address is fully masked. If you never had an IPv6 leak and didn't need to plug it and simply wanted to disable IPv6 on Android, then you've successfully done that. Okay, so that pretty much concludes this video on how to disable IPv6 on Android. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.